Today, we're exploring a fascinating aspect of attraction that goes beyond words: how to attract younger women without even saying a word. It's all about the silent, powerful language of nonverbal communication. Whether you're in a social setting or simply walking through your day-to-day life, mastering this form of communication can dramatically change the way younger women perceive you. Oh, and don't miss out on today's bonus tip at the end. It's a tip you're going to want to master. 1. Confident posture. Let's check out the world of body language, starting with posture. Posture is more than just standing up straight. It's a nonverbal cue that speaks volumes. Why does it matter so much? Let's unpack this. A confident posture is a silent yet powerful communicator. It tells the world, and younger women in particular, that you're self-assured and comfortable in your own skin. Standing tall, with your shoulders back and head held high, exudes a sense of self-confidence that can be incredibly appealing. It's not about puffing your chest out in an exaggerated manner, but rather maintaining a natural, relaxed stance that reflects inner confidence. Now, why is this important in attracting younger women? A confident posture is universally attractive as it signifies strength, stability, and reliability, which are qualities often sought after. But it's crucial to strike a balance. You don't want to come off as intimidating or overly dominant. The goal is to present yourself as approachable yet assured. Remember, your posture isn't just about how you stand. It's about how you carry yourself throughout your interactions. It can set the tone for how young women perceive you, often before a single word is exchanged. So next time you're in a social setting, take a moment to check in with your posture. It could make all the difference in making a positive, lasting impression. 2. Eye contact. Eye contact is a subtle yet impactful way to convey interest and confidence. But why is it so crucial? And how can it be used effectively? Let's dive in. Eye contact is an art in the world of nonverbal communication, especially when it comes to sparking a connection with younger women. It's about striking the right balance. Too little, and you might seem disinterested or shy, or too much, and you risk coming off as intimidating. The key is in maintaining eye contact that's warm, inviting, and genuine. When you make appropriate eye contact, it shows that you're fully present and engaged in the interaction. It suggests a level of confidence and interest in her, without uttering a single word. However, the trick lies in not overdoing it. It's about being perceptive to her comfort level and responding accordingly. A good rule of thumb is to maintain eye contact for a few seconds, then naturally break it before re-establishing it again. Remember, eye contact is not just about looking, it's about connecting. When done right, it can create a sense of intimacy and understanding, paving the way for a deeper connection. So next time you're in conversation, be mindful of your gaze. It could be the most powerful tool in your nonverbal arsenal. 3. Dressing for success. This is a crucial aspect of nonverbal communication. The way you dress can greatly influence first impressions, particularly in attracting younger women. But what's the secret behind dressing well? Let's explore this together. Dressing well is about finding that sweet spot between fashion and comfort, especially for older men. It's not about chasing every trend or dressing like you're decades younger. Instead, it's about choosing clothes that reflect your personality, fit well, and are appropriate for your age. This shows that you're comfortable with who you are and you take pride in your appearance, which can be highly attractive. The right outfit can speak volumes before you even say hello. It can signal that you're put together, sophisticated, and in tune with yourself. Remember, it's not about the price tag or brand names. It's about how you wear what you have. A well-fitted shirt, a pair of classic trousers, and clean, polished shoes can make a world of difference. So next time you're preparing to meet someone, give some thought to your outfit. Dressing well isn't just about impressing others. It's a form of self-respect and an easy way to boost your confidence, making you all the more appealing without saying a word. 4. Effective gesturing. Now let's turn our attention to the world of gestures. Gestures are a vital part of our nonverbal communication toolkit, particularly in the context of attracting younger women. But what makes a gesture effective and not overbearing? Let's dive into the nuances. Effective gesturing is all about using your hands and body movements to complement and enhance your communication. For older men, the right gesture can bridge the age gap, showing vitality and engagement in a way that resonates with younger women. The beauty of gesturing lies in its ability to convey enthusiasm and interest. A simple, well-timed gesture can make your stories more engaging and your presence more dynamic. However, it's crucial to be mindful of the context and the comfort of your audience. Overdoing gestures can seem forced or intimidating, creating the opposite effect of what you intended. Remember, gestures should feel natural and spontaneous, not rehearsed. For instance, A gentle hand movement when sharing a story or lightly touching your heart when expressing a sentiment can be powerful. So, the next time you're interacting, be aware of your gestures. Let them flow naturally, and use them to punctuate your conversation. A well-placed gesture can not only capture attention, but also leave a lasting impression, making you memorable without saying much at all. 5. Facial expressions. These are a key aspect of nonverbal communication, especially when trying to connect with younger women. But why are facial expressions so impactful, and how can they be used effectively? Let's go deeper into this topic. Facial expressions are incredibly powerful in conveying emotions and intentions without a single word. A genuine smile, for instance, can instantly make you more approachable and relatable. For older men, using facial expressions effectively can bridge the age gap, showing warmth and understanding. However, it's important to keep these expressions natural and true to your feelings. Overdone or fake expressions can be easily spotted and might backfire, making you seem insincere or untrustworthy. The key is in the authenticity of your smile, the slight crinkle of the eyes that shows true delight, or the raised eyebrows that signal genuine curiosity. These subtle cues play a significant role in nonverbal communication. They can make conversations more engaging and help build a connection based on genuine emotion. Next time you're interacting with someone, be conscious of your facial expressions. Let them naturally reflect your emotions and thoughts. This sincerity in your expressions can create a sense of comfort and trust, making you more attractive and relatable to younger women, all without saying a word. 6. Use of space and movement. This aspect is often overlooked but can be incredibly influential, especially in the dynamics of attracting younger women. Why is the use of space and movement so crucial, and how can it be optimized? Let's explore this fascinating aspect. Understanding and utilizing personal space is essential in nonverbal communication. It's about respecting boundaries while also showing interest. For older men, being mindful of space can convey a sense of security and respect, which is highly appealing. It involves knowing when to step in for a more intimate conversation and when to maintain distance to give her comfort and space. Movement, on the other hand, is about how you navigate these spaces. It's not just where you stand or sit, but how you approach or leave a space. Your movement should be smooth and purposeful, reflecting confidence and ease. For example, when you walk into a room or towards someone, do it with a relaxed yet assured stride. This shows you're comfortable in your own skin and in the setting you're in. So, the next time you're in a social setting, pay attention to how you use space and move around. These nonverbal cues can significantly influence the way younger women perceive you, helping you connect without saying a word. For our bonus point, let's jump into the intriguing world of synchronized body language. This subtle technique can significantly elevate your nonverbal communication, particularly in connecting with younger women. Why is synchronized body language so effective? And how can it be used without being obvious? Let's explore this fascinating concept. Synchronized body language, or mirroring, is about subtly matching the body language, gestures, and movements of the person you're interacting with. It's a powerful way to create a sense of harmony and connection without saying a word. When done correctly, it indicates that you're in tune with her and that there's a natural flow in your interaction. This can be especially appealing to younger women, as it shows attentiveness and a deep level of engagement. For instance, if she leans forward when engaged in conversation, you might do the same after a moment. This nonverbal cue suggests that you're both on the same wavelength. Remember, the goal of synchronized body language is to build rapport and show empathy. So next time you find yourself in conversation, try incorporating this technique gently. You might be surprised at how effectively synchronized body language can bridge gaps and deepen connections, all without needing to utter a single word. Now that you know how to attract her without saying a word, what's next for you? Discover the body language signs she likes you, or learn the physical traits she can't resist. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.